here we are on the train to Edinburgh. We've left Alnwick and we're about to go into Scotland, as you're about to see. Here is Hadrian's Wall. Each country enjoys its own type of street entertainment, and Scotland is no different. Edinburgh especially, you will find bagpipers all over the city, and honestly, they're usually really good. This bit of video was taken from the park right outside the railway station, and so you can see just how elevated parts of the city are as we're going to scan over to the castle. Up on the hill on the right, there it is. Normally, the structure on the right is not there, but the week after they were expecting a royal visit. Now, you Potterheads, listen up. On a map, and to the locals of Edinburgh, this is Victoria Street. However, to us Potterheads, this is Diagon Alley. Yes, this is where J.K. Rowling got the inspiration for that beautiful bit of imagery. And if you look throughout the city, you will see tons more of this stuff that you can visualize from the books. We really thoroughly enjoyed the Harry Potter walking tour. Here is our tour guide in the middle, Kieran. Highly recommend his tour. My husband's on the left with his newfound best friend on the right, who was also a huge Potterhead, and both of them knew all the answers to the quiz. So let's talk about the Royal Mile. You will hear it a lot in Edinburgh. And what is it? It's basically the street that goes from the Palace of Holyrood House, shown here, and that street is one Scottish mile, which is about 1.2 miles, and it goes all the way up through the shopping district, lots and lots of cobblestones, lots and lots of street entertainments, up to the castle at the top of the Royal Mile. So you may have noticed that Edinburgh is built on hills. And so one of the things that I absolutely love about this place is the alleyways. These little alleyways between these humongously tall buildings, and they just absolutely intrigue me. They go from one big street to another big street. They hook in. There's lots of stores in the alleyways. I just love them. And occasionally you will find alleyways and stairs. And stairs are the other things in Edinburgh. This is an ancient city. This was built long before the motor car was ever even thought about. And so, there's stairs. There is lots and lots and lots of stairs. So really be prepared. Get your walking shoes on, get a little cardio in, and I really think you'll love it.